Everyone says, never buy a BMW out of warranty. But nobody tells you which BMWs actually deserve that fear, and which ones are secretly bulletproof. I spent the last month talking to BMW master techs, scanning 50,000 owner reviews, and looking at what models hit 150k plus miles without major drama. Because in 2026, BMWs are cheaper than ever. Depreciation is your friend if you pick the right one. The wrong BMW will drain your bank account. The right BMW will give you driving joy every single day and still start at -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Today I'm giving you the 10 BMWs I'd buy with my own money in 2026. I'm not ranking by 0 to 60 times. I'm ranking by smiles per dollar plus nights you don't spend at the repair shop. 3 rules for buying any BMW in 2026. Before we start, memorize this. It'll save you $10,000. Rule 1. Engine code matters more than model badge. BMWs B48 4-cylinder and B58 6-cylinder are the new legends. Avoid N20, N63, and early B47 diesels unless you like surprises. Rule 2. A BMW with 80k miles and oil changes every 7k miles will outlive a 40k mile car that got oil every 15k. These engines hate dirty oil. Rule 3. CPO or extended warranty on anything with turbos, *turbos are fine if maintained. But when they fail, it's $4,000. Warranty makes it $200. Got it? Good. Now the list. 10. BMW 330 IG20, 2019 to 2026. The boring BMW that's actually genius. 2. 0LB48 Turbo 4-cylinder, 255 horsepower, rear-wheel drive. Doesn't sound exciting until you drive it. 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds, 32 miles per gallon highway, and it handles like a go-kart. Why buy it? This engine has no timing chain issues like old N20s, oil pump is reliable. It's basically a detuned 4-cylinder from the Toyota Supra, so parts are everywhere. Maintenance costs are closer to a Honda than a BMW. Daily commuters who want BMW handling without BMW bills. By 2021 plus for the bigger screen and wireless CarPlay. Guy in Texas has a 2023 30i with 140k miles. Brakes, tires, oil changes. Still gets 31 miles per gallon. Base 330i has small screen and no adaptive suspension. Spend extra for premium package. 9. BMW X540 IG05, 2019 to 2026. If you need 3 rows, cargo space, and towing, but refuse to drive a boring SUV, this is it. 3.0 LB58 turbo 6-cylinder, 335 horsepower, 7,200 pounds towing. The B58 is BMW's best modern engine. Smooth as a V8, reliable like a truck motor. 2023 plus got mild hybrid for better MPG. Why buy it? X5 depreciation is brutal. A 2020 X540i that was 65k new is now 32k with 60k miles. You get luxury SUV plus actual driving fun. Steering is sharp for a 5,000 pounds vehicle. Families, dads, anyone who hauls kids plus gear but still wants to enjoy back roads. Watch out for air suspension on higher trims. It's comfy but fails at 100k miles. 40i with standard suspension is more reliable and 90% as comfortable. 8. BMW M340 IG20, 2020 to 2026. This is the car that killed the M3 for daily drivers. Same B58 engine as X5, but 382 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. 3. BMW 840i Gran Coupe G16, 2020 to 2026. The sleeper luxury deal. 4-door coupe that looks like 120k car. B58 engine, 335 horsepower, huge cabin, frameless doors. Interior feels like private jet. Why buy it? Depreciation is criminal. 2021 840i Gran Coupe was $90K new. Now $42K with 40K miles. You're getting 7 Series space with 8 Series looks. Ride quality is magic carpet. BMW calls it integrated chassis management, but it just means it glides over bumps. Who it's for? Executives, people who entertain clients, anyone who wants presence without M8 repair costs. Watch out for, rear tires are wide and expensive. 22K miles per set is normal. Budget $800 for tires. 2. BMW M2G87, 2023 to 2026. Last of the true small M cars. Inline 6 turbo, 453 horsepower, manual option, rear-wheel drive. No hybrid, no fake sound. Just pure, why buy it, future classic. Manual transmission plus RWD plus small size equals recipe for collectability. Every reviewer says it's the most old-school BMW they've made in 10 years, daily use, surprisingly livable. Comfort mode softens suspension. Back seats exist, barely. Trunk fits groceries. Warning, tires and brakes are consumables. Track guys get 8K miles from rear tires. Daily drivers get 20K. Budget 2K/year for consumables. If you want a BMW that will appreciate, this is it. Just don't buy if you hate attention. Everyone stares. 1. BMW 540i G30, 2017 to 2023. The winner. The smartest BMW buy in 2026. Reliability, B58 engine is proven to 200K plus miles. Oil pump, timing chain, cooling system all fixed versus older BMW engines. Owner story, Florida Uber driver has 2018 540i with 210K miles. Still on original turbos. Only major repair was water pump at 120K. $600. Who it's for, literally everyone. Singles, families, commuters. It's the one-car garage BMW. BMW's reputation for bad reliability comes from 3 engines, N20, N63, and early B47 diesel. Avoid those, and BMWs are as reliable as Lexus, just more expensive to maintain. The 10 cars above use B48 or B58 engines. Those are the good BMW engines. Treat them right and they'll treat you right. 2026 is the best time to buy. Gas BMWs are cheap because everyone wants EVs. EVs are cheap because everyone's scared of battery replacement. Both fears are overblown if you buy the right model. Pick reliability first, fun second. You can't enjoy 500 horsepower if the car is in the shop. Comment below, which BMW from this list are you looking at right now? And comment BMW avoid if you want me to make 5 BMWs to stay away from in 2026. Drive smart. Buy the right BMW. Enjoy every mile.